Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start our new chapter, that is unit number 2, food and feeding. In this chapter I will teach you about the classification of animals. So the sequence of the day will be different animal have different diet, how the shape of teeth helps animal to eat their particular food, about photosynthesis and the importance of photosynthesis in plants, different diet of animals. Every time you do something, either jumping or running, you need energy. Similarly, all living things need energy which they get from food. Not all living things eat the same food. Different animals eat different type of food. We can put them into groups. Shapes of teeth. Different animals have different diet. The shape of teeth help them to eat their particular food. Like first one is a meat eater animal. A meat eater animal like tiger, lions, cats, dogs, etc. have sharp and long teeth which help them to eat meat. A grass or leaf eater. A grass or leaf eater like horses, cows, goats, sheep, etc. Their teeth help them to grind down their food. A fruit or nut eater. Most of the small animals like rabbit, squirrel love snaking on nuts. They have strong teeth to broke down or broke open the nuts. Classification of animals. There are 3 groups of animals. The first one is omnivores. Omnivores are those animals which eat both type of food, like they eat plants and they eat meat. Like human beings, hens, crows and some other animals eat both plants and meat. They are called omnivores. The second one is carnivores. Carnivores are those animals that eat meat of the other animals. They are called carnivores, like tigers, dogs and cats. Herbivores. Some animals eat plants. They are called herbivores, like cows, horses, rabbits and sheep. Photosynthesis. Green plants do not eat food like animals. They make their own food in their leaves by using air, water and sunlight. The process by which plants make their food is known as photosynthesis. Air goes into the leaf through tiny holes called stomata. Plants absorb sunlight through their leaves, which provides energy for photosynthesis to occur. Water is collected by the plants through their roots and come into the leaf through their leaves veins. Other type of feeding in plants. Some plants like pitcher plants catch and feeding on insects. Some plants, they are not green and cannot make their own food. They take food from green plants or from dead plants like mushrooms. So students, this is for today's lecture. See you in my next lecture. Best of luck and bye-bye.